Have you ever seen not one, but two patios on an RV? This is a Jayco Seismic 4113 toy hauler. It comes with a built-in Onan Cummins generator 5500, a MORride cushion hitch for smooth hookup, a built-in fueling station, a huge side patio along with two awnings, a second rear patio that turns to a ramp to put in your toys. Walking in, you'll find the living room area along with a fireplace, entertainment system, and the kitchen area. This is a full electric fireplace along with a 50-inch TV. In the living room, you have a 4-person lounger that reclines. Going up into the loft, there's an extra bed area for kids or adults, or maybe even storage. Heading into the patio, there's a nice railing that wraps around the whole entire deck, along with the entertainment system with a TV and outdoor speakers. Going into the garage is 12 feet 6 inches, enough to fit all your toys. There are 2 sofa lounge areas that turn into beds, along with a drop-down bed that comes down. Extra overhead cabinets, along with plumbing for a washer-dryer and a second bathroom. Checking out the second patio area are full-size screen doors that are solid and have windows, nice railing that wraps around the whole entire deck, and a third awning to cover the whole patio area. Walking into the kitchen is a 4-burner gas stove with a huge oven, residential-style microwave, huge wraparound counter area, tons of cabinet space, and a 3-door residential fridge. In the main bathroom is tiled-walled shower with a sit-down area and a big sink. In the bedroom is a residential-style queen bed with a TV and a huge closet area. So do you think you can camp in this? Let me know in the comments.